Hello, my name is Andrea Bonavia, and this is my journal post for the week 4 assignment, the self-assessment assignment. So after sitting quietly for roughly 5 minutes, I noticed that my breathing slowed, but I began taking deeper breaths and exhaling deeper. I counted my breaths at about 15 breaths per minute. While sitting peacefully in silence, I could actually hear and feel my heartbeat, and according to McArdle's methods, I calculated about 82 beats per minute. I could feel my stomach muscles relax with every deep breath that I took, and I could feel my stomach muscles tighten and relax during my breathing. It was actually a pretty peaceful activity compared to the day that I had, but I wasn't feeling any major muscle contractions besides the deep breathing in my stomach. So after jogging in place for 3 minutes and then doing as many push-ups as I could, which sadly was only 7, my calculated heart rate was about 103 beats per minute, and my breaths per minute were about 49. I could definitely feel a difference in my heart rate and how fast my heart was beating. And I was breathing faster than I was at rest, but I was not short of breath, which is a good sign. I experienced different outcomes from this activity than I did at rest, which should be expected. If not, that would kind of be concerning. This exercise, though, although short, was kind of hard for me to complete due to the fact that I had just completed my muscle resistance training earlier this morning. So my muscles were pretty tired from completing those previous activities. 3 chronic adaptations to the respiratory system that could occur with long-term exercise are an increased breathing rate with increased intensity training, increased lung capacity and ability, and improved strength and endurance of the diaphragm. 3 chronic adaptations to the cardiovascular system is an increased size of the muscular walls of the heart, increased stroke volume at rest and during exercise, and an increased oxygen supply. 3 adaptations to the neuromuscular system would result in an increase in strength, power, and speed training. Increased muscular size, and an increase of coordinated muscle contractions. So this includes my journal post. Thank you.